Hello guys. Today we'll be speaking
Yoruba.
Exactly. In this channel we'll be speaking Yoruba. The reason is that I want my children to learn how to speak Yoruba.
Our mother language.
By fire,
by force.
By force. I want them to speak Yoruba. You know. In this abroad, you have to teach your daughter or your son how to speak your language because it's good for you. You know, maybe when you go outside, then you want to talk to them with your language so that you can be able to talk to them with your language, you know. When you are speaking English, they will understand what you are trying to say. So, guys, you know, Yoruba, the mama gbọ́.
I'll help you translate.
Translate, but I can mix English, but normally, this channel is for Yoruba, so that the children must learn Yoruba by fire,
by force.
Yeah. So guys, I just try Jakawata get for me. Let's see. Oh yeah, mention your name. Hi, this is Olawumi. So this is Precious. Oh yeah, let's say hi.
Hi.
So this one is for me, Precious. Allow me, let them see it. This one is for Precious. So she will be the first to check. Oh my own alcohol, yeah. This
it's
one.
So cute.
Let me see. See? Oh yeah, born here.
Oh, it's
no, boss sweater is
but this baby grew.
No, where's the time?
Okay. Oh yeah. Allow me, stay in one place. Okay?
Throw it here.
So no, come on, wait. Oh yeah, wait.
Throw it here.
Don't wait there.
Yeah.
We'll be right back, So
Oh.
that one is for Precious. Don't remove it, just wait and let's just see.
Okay.
First. And before Precious is wearing her home, let me see who have this jacket because I think they'll see in the winter to giddy. So I think this one is for me. Let me put it on one side. Actually, we have 3 bags.
Is that mine?
Yeah, see? So that is one. Let me check this one.
Is that for me?
This one, no. So the last one, yeah, this one is for Olawumi. It's big, oh, yes. Sorry, oversized, you know. Kabalomu to kere fun. Oh, I'm not complaining. Yeah, let them see. Olawumi, mark it in the camera.
Isn't this cute?
So
Tell me.
Look.
It's so cute. I like it.
Let them see.
It's like in a house coat. Like I just wear at home.
Let's surprise our style. What is check the Emma Bilinga? I am so English and so English. No, English daddy, English daddy. So then Titona Milele. Go try no. Let's see, turn like this so that you can see what you are wearing. Wow.
Oh, what's your size there?
Online. Let's say you are disturbing us. Sorry guys. Don't mind this boy.
Why are you shouting?
Let's
Look
see.
at him. Look at just lying down
Is it
there.
okay?
Yeah.
Wow. See, can you see
No,
it?
it's so big. I feel like I could just.
Oh no, me.
No.
As you can see.
Oh my
It's
god.
nice.
It sizes her.
So,
Oh
winter. I'm ready for winter this time around. You back to it.
Like that.
No, this is how to do it. See. Actually, only your leg couldn't be so. But you can just leave it like this. You can remove this or you leave it like that. So,
It's so cute. Look at fluffy face.
you can see. So, allow me, let them see you. Is that how to turn? See this one.
You're supposed to do like this. Hey.
There's the magic camera.
Ah, yeah.
Now they can see you. They can see you. This is the back, and then this is the front. So allow me. Just like that, Kasha. For sure. Yeah, this is the guy that pada. So don't maybe buy it tight, but to show okay, right?
Yes.
Let's check. Put your hand up like this. Fill down. Let's say you are disturbing us. Don't you know? Yeah. This place. It's like, wait.
Go.
Let me lose this place first. Actually, only the fill it back. No, let me see. Wait. I think. Okay, back.
Oh, you first.
No.
Bye-bye.
What's my
So, on the leg. So, this.
Wow.
This one is for the girls.
For the boom sister, let me see what the colors is.
Just see me, Joe.
This one is for allowing me, as you can see. So, go this side. So, so actually, we bought the same thing like Dora.
Everyone's got matching.
You see it, everything now. Tabati wo. Yeah, wear your own. Let me wear my own. Actually, we know wear it like this, so you know, this one you just have then I'm going to sweater first. Then we put this one. Oh, tutu, yeah. I want to back to our Okay, so let me pack in my head. See?
Allow me, wait, let me do my zip first. Hey, wait, put the things on.
No, wait.
Look like a fluff thing.
Let me do my zip. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Check it out.
Yeah, let's do fluff thing. Yeah. Fluff team check.
Don't it that could you
No, fluff team check.
You're so big.
So, this is my son.
So guys, you need to shake it body. No, let me do my own first then. Allow me to do my own shake. So guys, get back, get front. Yeah, now. So let me first do my own rubber ribbon like this. As you can see now, yeah, I've done my own. Yeah, allow me to wash it on there. Yeah, precious. Wash it on there. Yeah.
On my way. Wow.
So guys, I think that can tutu one here. We bought the same thing. So guys, that can one lele. As you can see, so this is our jacket for this winter. So winter and bow. So about the winter one, you know. So guys, thanks for watching. Share about our video. About our like, about our shaking, about our share, about our subscribe. Tip out to my page. Double.